Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Saeco Italia machine. The water was leaking on it and not going through the brew group. And we also saw a second leak. So the first leak was the steam valve, and the second leak was the brew valve, which we started to see after we got the first leak fixed. And now it's working well, so let's go ahead and test the steam. Very strong steam, and this flashing light is just for the ground spin. Always challenging to work on an espresso machine with one hand. And there we go, the error light went away. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.